Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a maple leaf. Let's start off by drawing a long line that bends gently like so. Then, add a checkmark shape at the bottom to make a stem. The tip of the stem is going to be the middle of the maple leaf. From there, draw a line going out to the right at a 90-degree angle. Then, another line going up at a 45-degree angle. Mirror those lines on the other side. And finally, add two shorter lines underneath like this. These will be the center veins for the different sections of the leaf. The short bottom section will have 1 point, and the ones just above those will have 3 points. So from the center, draw a line that curves out to the left for the 1 point, followed by a line that sweeps in and back out, going around this vein with 3 points. Next, the sections on top will have 5 points each. So from this end, draw a swooping line that goes out and around the vein with 5 points like so. We can mirror these shapes on the other side, just like this. Finally, draw the last section of the leaf with the same swooping line that goes up and over with 5 points again. That's looking great already! To add some more detail, extend the veins of each section to the tips like so. Then, we can add some thin lines going out from the veins towards each of the points. The veins serve many purposes in leaves. They help carry water and nutrients absorbed by the roots to the leaves. They also help cool the leaf down when it gets too hot. And of course, they help support the leaf shape so it can spread out more. And lastly, add 2 extra lines here to fill in the empty space. And now you've got a maple leaf.